So what questions should you ask to get the most of your kind of child's healthcare experience? So the first thing is you want to know what type of condition this is. So is the condition degenerative, or is it like, hey, is this just how it's going to be? And the reason being is if the trajectory of the condition is stable, then you can make a lot more life assumptions based on a stable condition versus a degenerative condition. The other question I would ask is, hey, what kind of red flags should I be looking out for to see, is this progressing as it should, or is something out of line? Like, what kind of behaviors in my child should I be looking for? So that's for the condition itself. The other thing I would ask is, are there any therapies or developmental training or anything that you should be looking into? So what that might look like is occupational therapy. Are there any kind of developmental therapies that can help move things along rather than just saying, hey, this is the condition and this is how it is? The other thing is the schools and public institutions have kind of a mandate to make accommodations for issues like low vision. So what kind of tools and accommodations should you be asking the school about? So your child's low vision doctor should know what kind of things you should be asking about. The other thing is there's also, you may want to ask the actual folks at school is, hey, do you have any services to kind of test my child and see if there's any services they're eligible for or anything like that. And then the other thing is for you, dealing with having a child with low vision, visual impairment, can feel like you're alone on an island, and that can be a pretty lonely place. That said, the internet is full of support groups and for various conditions, and a lot of times it's a good place to find solace and find understanding for what you're going through. And then the other thing would be social services. Are there any social services that your child's eligible for as a result of their condition? So those are the questions I would be asking my child's low vision doctor, to just kind of familiarize yourself with the world of low vision, because there's a lot out there, but a lot of it's very disconnected. So you need to know to ask the right questions so you get the stuff you need.